Hi guys, I just kind of wanted to take you through what the escape room would look like and give you some hints before you start. Okay, so when you put in the link, you should come up to a page like this. What you're going to do first is you're going to write your name here, you know what, this is going to be more helpful if we do it like this. You're going to write your name in the blank here. And then you're going to go and continue on to answering questions. Whenever you type in an answer, it will tell you whether you are right or wrong. So obviously this is wrong. It's going to say sorry, try again. It will only say sorry, try again until you put in the right answer. So if I put in China, there's nothing. So I know the answer is right. There are a couple rules. I do not put any capital letters. So if you wrote China like this, it would be wrong. No capital letters. Okay? In any of my questions, there's no capital letters. If there's a number, you're gonna write the number out like this. So you're not gonna write 14. You're gonna write the digits 1, 4, 14. Okay. You're gonna continue and you'll do the questions. Some are just regular questions that you'll answer. Again, so what's the last name of the President of the United States? Do not capitalize the first letter. Okay. Some questions will have links to other places. So like this will take you to a jigsaw puzzle that you'll have to put together. And then you'll write down the Bible verse, or you'll write down the last word that you see on the jigsaw puzzle. These pictures will give you clues for how to answer other ones. Same with these. So these are like those pictures that make up words. So you're going to look at the picture and figure out what word comes from there. Okay? You'll write the answers down. When you get to the end, you will submit it. You can only submit it when all your answers are right, okay? That's how you escape the room. When you push submit, it's going to take you to another page, and it is going to tell you a code word. What you're going to do is you're going to come back up to Canvas, and you're going to, and you're going to submit your code word in your homework slot, okay? That's all you have to do for today. Best of luck, and let me know, either email me, message me if you have any questions or difficulties, okay?